In this video we are going to do some numerical problems. So we start by this first problem. When 32.0 gram of methane are burnt in 128.0 grams of oxygen, 88 grams of carbon dioxide and 72.0 grams of water are produced. So which law is this an example of? We have the three fundamental laws that we have seen previously. So here, in order to verify which law corresponds to this reaction, or chemical reaction, here we have 32 grams of methane. So we have methane that has a formula of CH4. Its mass is 32.0 grams. And it is burnt, it reacts with oxygen, O2. The oxygen has a mass of 128.0 grams. So here we'll get carbon dioxide with a mass of 88.0 gram and water with a mass of 72.0 gram. So we will make the addition. So 32 plus 128, it will give 160.0 grams of beginning materials, as it is the total mass of reactants. Now we'll calculate the total mass of the products, which gives also 80 plus 70, 150, and 8 plus 2, 10. So it will give also 160.0 grams as a total mass of products. So we have seen previously that when the mass of the beginning materials is equal to the mass of the ending materials, so here we are in front of the conservation of mass. So the answer is so this law is an example of the law of conservation of mass. Second numerical problem. In this problem, we have 8 grams of methane that are burnt in 32 grams of oxygen. The reaction produces about 22.0 grams of carbon dioxide and an unmeasured mass of water. So what mass of water is produced? So here we have methane of formula CH4 of 8.00 grams that reacts with oxygen of this formula of 32.0 grams. So they react to they will produce the carbon dioxide of a mass of 22.00 gram and water. Water is unmeasured, so we'll give the sample of X gram. So we have to find this mass. So this is an example of law of conservation of mass. So here the total mass is 40.00 gram of reactants. And here the total mass is equal to 22.00 gram plus X gram. So how do we find the X gram? Because the law of conservation of mass, the law of conservation of mass. So we have here the 40 grams of reactants equal to the 22.00 gram plus the unmeasured mass of water. So the unmeasured mass of water will be equal to So here the mass of water will be equal to 40.00 gram minus 22.00 gram of carbon dioxide. Here we have the total mass of reactants, and here we have the mass of carbon dioxide. So the result will be 18.00 gram of water.